Dear friends, now we try to do one more problem under this model a plus b plus c equal to 2s. If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, prove that cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos c equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos s minus a by 2 cos s minus b by 2 cos c by 2. So, in the hypothesis it is given a plus b plus c equal to 2s. If it is 2s or 180 or 270 or 90 or 0, whatever may be the hypothesis given, procedure is the same. So, in this problem, it is a plus b plus c equal to 2s. Take LHS and we try to draw, or we try to prove, or we try to get RHS. So, LHS cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos c. It is in the form of, if you treat this as c and this as d, you can see the formula cos c plus cos d. What is the formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So, in the formula, replace c as s minus a and d as s minus b. So, 2 cos s minus a plus s minus b by 2 cos, in the place of c, s minus a minus, after minus I am writing 2 terms, so after minus I am writing bracket. So, s minus b by 2, third term remain as it is, plus cos c. So, 2 cos, simplification, s plus s, 2s minus a minus b by 2 cos s minus, multiply minus inside, it is minus s, minus into minus plus b. So, plus s minus s cancel, one negative term, one positive term, write positive first, negative later. So, b minus a by 2 plus cos, here a by 2, b by 2 you can see. Similarly, I want to see here c by 2. For that, multiply and divide 2 in the angle. Multiply 2 and divide 2 in the angle. So, in the place of 2s, the hypothesis a plus b plus c equal to 2s, shift minus a this side and minus b this side. So, a plus b by shifting, plus a become minus a, plus b become minus b. Then what is the remaining c? So, 2 cos c by 2. Split the denominator, cos b by 2 minus a by 2 plus cos 2a. Cos 2a formula, 2 cos square a minus 1. You are having one more formula, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Similarly, you are having 2 more formulae, of all which, why you are using only this formula? Why you are using only this formula? Because already at c by 2, you are having cos. So, you are having cos c by 2. I want to take c by 2 common. In all the problems, you have to take c by 2 common. To get common, here also you have to see cos c by 2. If I use this formula, then only I can see cos c by 2. If I use this formula, I can see sin square c by 2, which is not our required part here. So, instead of this formula, I am using this formula because I want to take cos c by 2 common. In the place of A, you are having C by 2. Hence, the formula goes like this: 2 cos square. What is A? C by 2. So, 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. Place this minus 1 in the beginning and take 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C by 2 common. In the next step, place this minus 1 in the beginning, take 2 cos C by 2 common in these two terms. By writing like this, we see this step: minus 1 plus taking 2 cos C by 2 common. These two are the remaining. If you observe, this is in the form of again cos C. This is D. The formula is cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So, minus 1 as it is, 2 cos C by 2 is as it is, cos C plus cos D. So, in the place of C, you have to write B by 2 minus A by 2 plus, in the place of D, you have to write C by 2. By 2 is as it is in the formula: cos C minus D by 2. Again, by the hypothesis, A plus B plus C equal to 2S, you are having A by 2, B by 2, C by 2. So, to get by 2 here, divide 2 on both sides. B by 2 plus C by 2. You are having B by 2 plus C by 2. B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to S minus A by 2. So, in the place of B by 2 plus C by 2, I am writing S minus A by 2. S minus A by 2. You are having one more minus A by 2 as it is. So, minus A by 2. Cos, in these two terms, in these two minus terms, take minus common. Take minus common. After taking minus common, you will get plus. So, minus of A by 2 plus C by 2. A by 2 plus C by 2. Shift these two terms. A by 2 plus C by 2 by shifting. S minus these two terms, you will get S minus B by 2. Keep these two terms as it is. Shift this B by 2 that side. B by 2 is as it is, minus, in the place of A by 2 plus C by 2. Keep these two terms this side and shift this term that side. It becomes S minus B by 2. Now, close this S and do LCM for these two. LCM is by 2, minus A minus 2A by 2. 2 cancel. Remaining is minus A. Before that, you are having S. So, this become S minus A. By 2 you are having anyhow. So, S minus A by 2. Before bracket, the same step come down. Here, multiply minus inside. B by 2 minus S plus B by 2. LCM for these two. B by 2 plus B by 2. 2B by 2. 2B by 2 is B minus S. So, B minus S by 2. Again, cos minus theta, it is equal to cos theta. Take minus common here, cos. By taking minus common, we will get s minus b by 2. Cos minus theta, in cos minus get vanish and simply cos theta. So this is cos s minus b by 2. So cos b minus s by 2 will change to cos s minus b by 2. So minus 1 plus 2 2s are 4. Write these in order: cos s minus a by 2, cos s minus b by 2, cos c by 2. This is our required RHS. Hence the problem is over, hence proved. As we all know, and in the beginning of this trigonometry up to transformations, these kind of problems what we have done till now, as a plus b plus c equal to 2s or 180 or 90 or 270, these kind of problems again you can see in one more chapter in properties of triangles. So in that chapter also this model is very very important. 180 or 270 or 90, that model of a plus b plus c equal to 90 or 180 or 270 is very important in both the chapters. This chapter is trigonometry up to transformations. The same model comes in again in properties of triangles. If you are thorough in this chapter, then properties of triangles will be very easy for you to follow, without which you have to lose 2 essay answers. One essay answer in this chapter and one more essay answer in properties of triangles. This model covers 2 essay answers if you are thorough. I hope you better understand the necessity of learning the formulae. Right. Problem is over.